Imagine this, you want to talk to AI, but you have got no internet. Or maybe your phone is so old it can barely text. Sounds impossible, right? Well, I have made it possible. Hi, I am Pushpendra and I will build a system that lets you chat with AI via SMS message without internet or any app. It works on almost every phone, even that old Nokia sitting in your drawer. So in this video, I will show you how I have built it, how it works and how you can make it too. So let's start. So our requirement for the server are pretty straightforward. When the user sends the SMS message, we need to listen to it and extract the query and ask the AI for the response and then send the response back to the user via SMS service. So to achieve this, we will be using some services or we can say different tech. So let's discuss that. So when the user will send the message, we need some service that can listen to the message sent to that particular number. So for that, I will be using Twilio SMS Gateway that will listen to the user's SMS and then forward it to our webhook. Now this webhook will be defined in our server and for creating the server, I will be using Flask and as I will be running the server in the local, we need to forward that local URL to live URL. So we will be converting our local URL to a live URL using Ngrok. Then we need some API. For that, I will be using OpenAI API. Then we need some service to send the SMS back to the user with the response to the query. So for that, I will be using Twilio SMS Gateway. And then we need to host our server somewhere. We can use online services like AWS, but I prefer to run it on my local. So I will be using Raspberry Pi here. Now this is how the whole flow will look like. User sends the message will be captured by Twilio SMS Gateway and the webhook will be triggered of our SMS GPT server. In the SMS GPT server, we will pass the user query and make call to OpenAI API. Once we get the response from OpenAI, we will parse it and do some optimization like removing empty spaces, wrapping it under SMS character limit, which is 160 characters. And finally, send the response on the same number via SMS using the Twilio SMS gateway. So coming to our coding part, we have this main file where we have start flask and start ngrok functions. These are the two main functions of the server. Start flask server will start our flask server and start ngrok will convert the local URL to a live URL. Now the flask server is defined in smsgpt.py file where we have defined a webhook that will be called from the Twilio service when a SMS will be received. Once this webhook will be called, we will extract the message part from the body and then call this GPT reply function with that message. In the GPT reply function, we will call OpenAI and get the response to the user's query and then call the optimize SMS function, which will optimize the response for SMS message and finally return it. Once the message is done, we will call the send SMS function and with the reply. And here we are just using Twilio to send the message back to the user with the response to the query. Now we also have two other endpoints, that is /health, which is used to check the health of the server, and /test, which can be used to test the webhook. All the other information for the project are present in the README file where we have provided information regarding where we can get the environment variable values and how you can set up the server and run it. Server is running on this Raspberry Pi and you may not be seeing it because of the reflection, but it's running. Now let me try to send a message and ask it something. So write message. So let me ask it for the steps to make tea. So, make tea. And now I will send it to the number and this number is the Twilio number that I have set up through my Twilio account. Okay. Now the message is sent. Let's wait for the response. Now we got the response from the GPT. So first, boil water. Second, add tea leaves or a tea bag. Third, steep for 3 to 5 minutes. 4, remove leaves or bag. 5, add milk or sugar if desired. Enjoy. So it is pretty good response, and honestly, when I am running on this dumb phone, then I can truly feel the power of this system. So we can access AI using this dumb phone as well. Let's ask AI something else. So let me ask for the capital of India. So of capital of India. Let me type that number. Okay, the message is sent. Let's wait for the response. And this is a response. The capital of India is New Delhi. So pretty good answer, and I think it is a really useful system. Right now, there is one limitation in this project. So Twilio only listens to the message sent by a verified number. So a random person can't just send a message and get the AI response. But it can be eliminated by using a Pro Twilio plan or using a different SMS gateway altogether. For now, it was super fun and a useful project. I will provide the link to the GitHub repo in the description for you to try it. I hope you liked the project and found it interesting. If you liked it, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, and I will see you in the next one.